Okay, today's lesson is compound interest. Compound interest is different from simple interest. On simple interest, we don't calculate the interest and be paid interest on the interest. But compound interest means interest is calculated for every compounding period, and interest is paid for every interest accumulated. So our formula will be A is equal to P times 1 plus I to the power of n, where A is the future value, how much money I will get. P is the present value or the original money I had. I is the interest rate. This will be always in decimals in the formula. N will be the number of compounding periods. We have many compounding periods. So the compounding periods can be semi-annually, it can be annually, it can be semi-annually, which means every 6 months. It can be monthly, and it can be quarterly, or it can be daily, or bi-weekly, or weekly. These are all the possible compounding periods. So it depends on the question. If the compounding period is semi-annual, you divide the interest rate by 2 and multiply the n by 2. So let's see an examples here. Okay, so we have $2,000 invested for 5 years at 6% per year, compounded annually. So find the amount. How much will I have after 5 years? Okay, so we have $2,000 invested. It's only one-time payment. So one-time payment, which means that I have A equal to P 1 plus I to the power n. I'm finding A. This is my unknown. The P is given $2,000. It's one-time payment. I just deposit $2,000 once. 1 plus I is 0.06. Since it is annually, I don't divide by anything. N is the number of years, which is 5. So this will be equal to $2,676. So how much extra money did I get? That extra money is called interest. Interest is the amount minus the principal. Therefore, $2,676 minus I invest $2,000. So my interest will be $676. That's the extra money I got. Okay. Okay, B. So the present value. So now if I have A equal to P 1 plus I to the power of n. If I want to find the present value, I rearrange the formula. P is equal to A over 1 plus I, the same letters. So let's say I have I want to have, so if I want to get $5,000 after 4 years, at interest rate per year compounded semi-annually. Compounded, let's say compounded monthly. Okay, how much should I invest? How much should I invest now? So my question is, I want to get $5,000 after 4 years at 8% per year compounded monthly. How much money should I invest now? So how much money means that P, I would have to find P. That's my investment now. So P is equal to A over 1 plus I to the power of N, which is, my A is $5,000, 1 plus I is 0.08, but compounded monthly means I divide by 12. I calculate this, and this will be equal to 3,634 and 60 cents. Therefore, what interest was I paid? Interest gained will be 5,000, take away 3,634.60 cents, and this will be 1,365.40 cents. This is the extra money I got. Okay, so this is present value, the other one was amount. So if it is compounded semi-annually, I would divide by 2, I would multiply by 2 the n. The n would be like 4 years times 12, which is 48. If it is quarterly, I divide by 4, I multiply by 4.